I'm still lagging. Kaya, makikipaglaro po ako sa aking internet. Sorry po, malalag po to. Magagalit kayo. Sorry. So, my goal is to speak an English. Okay, starting now. Yeah, let's go. So, let's go. My goal is to speak an English, guys. So, I'm super duper learning. Look at my skin. Sorry, I get my skin a new avatar, so I have a cancer. I look at my style in broken. I'm still lagging. No, I'm still lagging. Yeah, that's me. I'm gonna show you another skin. Wait. It's an avatar. Hey! Is that you? Oh, no? I thought it was you. You're with a guy. So, I'm gonna show you my skin. So, the first one is that. The second is a boy. Third one is a girl, but look. Cassie. Loading club. It's like the same thing, but I don't wear it. At least I have time to wear. Yeah. But I got a funny one. Yeah, that's even this. But look at this. I have a short hair. Her name is Dinita. Sorry, I mean Dinita. And the first one is, I like this. I really like that. Oh my god. What is this? What's this object? So I gotta back to my face now. So set up side. I am a kid over here. So our goal is to yeah. I mean, you know, my goal is to speak an English, and I'm gonna rob the house. So first, I'm gonna get my stuff. But I'm loading. Yeah, I'm loading. For how to rob. Yeah, guys, I'm good at English, but not a secret. So let's find a house. Our first target is this house. So I'm gonna rob that. I wish you guys can hear my voice, because I do something in secret and you guys can do it. What are you? Yeah, so let's put up. So there's someone in this. Let's see. No one in this household. So I don't know how to get out. I'm lagging. Let's go. Where we get back. Go ahead. Oh, ah! Yes, I got it. The next target is this house. It's from a girl named Sweet. She just gave me a bucket of money. Guys, I'm lagging. Look at me. I'm lagging. My phone is really stupid. It's lagging. Yeah. Lagging. So now, let's rob the house. My God, there is a Guys, I'm lagging. Let's go after that. I don't know where is the bed. just rob. So let's find another house so we can make sure. Yes? Yes? I just teleport. So my sister is robbing too. She's copying me. I'm robbing the bank. Hey, that's mine. You don't know how to do it. So shut up. You don't know how to get the... Hey, why are you copying my clothes? Can I see your clothes? Can I see your clothes? Are you that? Can I see your avatar? Is that you? Boy, are you copying my avatar? Change it. Go. You need to go. I'm gonna get my money. Please open. Yeah, it's open. We got it, guys. So guys, magkasama na kami ng ate. Good job. I got it. Good job. I got it. We got it. You know where it is. OMG, I got banned. I got banned. I got banned for oh my god, I got banned. Oh my god. Don't wanna go in that house ever, never again. I got banned, you know. So let's find another house. I get banned. I get banned. Again. I found a house. There's someone in there. I think no one, so let's... Oh, keep out for me. Don't get no one. Yeah, in here. Oh! I think he's doing something, guys. Let's go. OMG, I think it's not here. Wait. That's that boy. What's that? I want to play hide and seek. I know a lot of Wait, I cannot see it. Where is it? I don't know yet. So maybe it's in here, but it's not in here, guys. I'm lagging. Why I keep lagging? Guys, I don't want to do this challenge, but I need to. We need to. Let's find it. Where's that? I think it wasn't in here. So, our challenge is over. We get the money, but we didn't got the rob of a tube houses. So, it's okay, but bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. So, I'm gonna put, what the heck? What is this, like an Indian?